Hey there. Working on building or repairing your credit? SoFi offers tools and insights through its app to help you understand and improve your credit score over time. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use them. If you're a SoFi member, you have access to free credit score monitoring. In the app, find the Credit Score section. Here, you can see your current score, the key factors affecting it, and a history of its changes. SoFi also provides educational content and personalized tips, like keeping your credit utilization low or making on-time payments, based on your profile. My crucial pro tip? Set up alerts for credit report changes. Enable notifications for any hard inquiries or new accounts reported in your name. This is an early warning system for identity theft and helps you keep a close watch on your financial reputation. That's how you leverage free tools to actively manage your credit health. What's the one credit factor you're focusing on improving right now? Payment history, utilization, or something else? Share below. If financial wellness guides help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.